Hi friends, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz top model. As you can see, we have opened the chassis of the vehicle and the manual steering rack, as well as the steering column electronic. As you can see, all the steering electronic column has been opened. The problem was steering was striking on the turnings. The customer came us to its YouTube channel. So what the problem is, we are working on this top sensor gear, top sensor column. This is the full column of the vehicle. So yeah, any problem regarding your vehicle, please call on the given number so we can work on your vehicle. We have all types of steerings and we work on all brands, all vehicles. Thank you so much.